Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwezono, yeah. Welcome back to IGBOTIC, girl. Guys, thank you so much for all your subscriptions, your likes, your watching, your comments, everything. It gives me so much joy. Thank you for supporting this Igbo channel. So this video is long overdue, and I apologize because I promised in 2020 that I was going to do part 2, you know, because I did romantic names for women in Igbo language and I just left the men out. So some people have sent me messages saying, when is the men one going to come out? Because, you know, we have husbands, we have boyfriends, we have, you know, we are trying to get married, and we need names to call our spouses, you know. So I'm here, I got you, your girl, you know, I got you for life. Sorry for the late, you know, but yeah, I got you, all right? So I'm here, and you can... So, romantic names for men in Igbo language. Let's go. Nkem. Nkem simply means my own. Nkem, my own. My own. My personal own. Can't share, not sharing, ever. Okay? So your man, you can call him Nkem, meaning my own. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. My heart. Cause my heart, they do me, do, ke. I mean, that's how they sang it. Well, my heart, that's it. Obim, my heart. My heart. Woke oma. Woke oma. Good man. Woke oma. If you have a good man, respect him, be loyal, because he's a woke oma. Okay? So call your man woke oma today to appreciate him, to tell him that he's a good man. Woke oma. Woke ka ibeya. Woke ka ibeya. A man that is greater than his counterparts. A man that is greater than his fellow men. A man that when he shows, you know, he stands out. Woke kibeya. Woke ka ibeya. You know, a great man, a man that when he does things, he surpasses what every other man does. He stands out. Woke ka ibeya, literally translating to a man that is greater than his fellow men. Ezim. Okay, some people are like, oh, is that not what you call God? Yeah, you call God Igwe, Eze, king. But your husband is also your Eze, because he's your Lord, as in, you know, if you read the Old Testament, it's like, my Lord. Yeah, so you can call your husband Ezim, meaning king, because he's a king in your family, he's a king in your home. So personalizing it and say Ezim is my king. Okay? It's okay, you can do that. You can also say Igwem, also saying my king. Igwem, my king. Okay? That's safe. Yes, you can say that. Yeah. Omego. Hey! Omen na cash. Omen na dollars. Omen na euros and pounds and sterling. Igwe. Ay! Omen na cash. Omego. Omego. You can call your husband Omego, because, you know, when he comes and he brings the money, things are solved, you know. When he comes through, you know, he does a man. He comes through. He came my strength. Your spouse is definitely your strength. You know, he's there for you when you're weak, when you're down, you know, vice versa, but he's there for you. So he's a strength, you know, he strengthens you. My strength, he came my strength. Good. That's a good one to call him. Yeah, you know, men love all those kind of stuff. So really good to speak of your husband in a very good light. You know, talk to him like a king, just like he is. He is a king, so speak to him like a king. Okay? Dike, strong, courageous, a strong man. Dike, a strong man. Dike, a prominent man. Dike. I like that. Dike, D-I-K-E. Dike. Agunwoke, a leader, a strong man, a brave man, muscular, just a prominent man, a strong leader. Agunwoke. You know, his presence is felt when he walks into the room. Agunwoke. Odimnobi, the one in my heart. Odimnobi. Women are also called this. It's just saying the one in my heart. So Odimnobi. something that is in your heart, constantly in your heart, Odimnobi. And yes, Odimnobi is a good one to call your husband. Good man. Ezebu Nwoke. Good man. Ezebu is something that is good. Nwoke is man. So Ezebu Nwoke is saying that this man is a good man. So girls, if you have a good man, you love your good man, you need to appreciate your good man and call him Ezebu Nwoke. That is saying good man. Dogu Nwoke is a conqueror, a bold man, a strong man, you know, a man of impact, a man that comes in and solves things, just like you know, an alpha male. Oh my god, yes, that's it, an alpha male. Odogun Nwoke, or you can just say Odogun. Odogun is an alpha male, like, oh yes, Odogun, alpha male. Yes, that's it, that came, and that was good. Some my delight, my sweet perero. Some, you know, when you call your man Osom, it's like you sweet my heart. It make my heart to yori yori. You know that's a yori yori. Hey, it's just like my yori yori, the one that yoris my heart. Yori yori, yes. You know, Osom, my sweetheart. Something like that. Yes. Obito. So Obito is joy, something that gives your heart joy. So Obi is heart and Oto is, you know, sweet. So something that makes your heart rejoice, something that makes your heart sweet, joyful. Obiutom, something that sweetens your heart, that makes your heart glad, you know. Not something always, like someone as well. So someone that makes your heart rejoice. So Obiutom. My husband is Obiutom because my husband makes my heart to rejoice. Obiutom. Nanyam, my love. Oh, because of Ifunaya, So Ifunaya is my love. Yes, that's it. So that Nna, literally in Igbo, N-N-A is father, but also Nna is, it's more said like Nna. It's an endearing way to, you know, to speak to your husband. So Nna, I know my mom calls my dad Nna at times. So it's like Nna. It's a nice way to refer to your man. You're not calling him my father. No, it's not father. Father is Nna. This one is Nna. It's like Nna. Your daddy. Okay, yeah, that's what. Nna is like your daddy. My husband just told me now. He's like your daddy. Nna, yay, thanks babe, thanks. You see, this man is on point. Ijele Nwoke, great man. Ijele Nwoke, great man. If you married a great man, if you know that you have a great man, you need to tell that man that he is a great man. Ijele Nwoke, great man. When he enters, Ijele. Now let me tell you let me explain Ijele. So Ijele is a masquerade, and Ijele is not the masquerade that comes out every time. Ijele comes out, I think, only when the king died. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to quote. Ijele is not a masquerade that comes out all the time. Ijele comes out only on really extremely special occasions. So when you're calling your husband and Ijele, you're saying like this is, you are special, you are uniquely special, you know, your kind is not found anyhow. Not be boys from the streets. Mbamba. This is a unique man. He's not from the streets, you know. This one was not you didn't find him on the streets, no. Ekweme. I know that Ekweme is a name that you call God, but in this sense it's like talk and do, you know. So like, you know, my husband talk and do, correct man, comes true. He talk and he do am. There's no, we're not beating about the bush here. So Mr. Talk and do, when you hear people hailing somebody Mr. Talk and do, that's Ekweme. When you say it, you do it. Mr. Talk and do, Ekweme. So yeah, you can call your husband Ekweme because, you know, when he comes into the home, he says things, he handles his business, you know, he's a man of his words. That's it. Ekweme is like saying, oh, he's a man of his words. He says what he's gonna do and he does what he says he's gonna do. Okay? So yeah, ladies, that's a good one. This, I'm going to end with this. Nwa. Nwa. So nwa is, we all know nwa is, you know, baby. If you follow this channel, I've said it a few times, nwa is baby. Okay? So you call your husband babe. You call your husband baby. So you can call him nwa. Nwa, that's Igbo. So nwa. I know my cousin and his wife, they say that to each other, and I think that's cool. Mwah. Mwah. It's like my baby. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for supporting me, and keep supporting me. It makes me feel like it makes me know that I'm doing a good work and promoting the Igbo language. And just to let you know, if you're struggling, you can drop me an email, you can drop me a message in the comment section. If you have any other name, you know, Igbo name for your man that you want to use and you don't know the meaning, drop it down there. I'm sure people will help answer it, or I will answer it. I get to all my comments, so drop your comments and I will respond to you. Thank you again for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.